Pusumbut Menteri Rangba ka jylla ubah kami ikatanat PWD buildings ubah Preston tensong. Ha ka arpun riu tarik risa ulakot ya ka jingalang bisharkam berpentip baya ka jingtei bathama jong ka iingdorbar Meghalaya Legislative Assembly ka jylla ha mau diang an pyndep no ha ubnai Nailar hajar pusau. Habakren syakilat pathai khobor ubah tensong ulaong ngila bishar benia igajing tray kam baro bat menta kajing pentray kadang ya chakman bat ngathi kena kinla ban pendap no katkum kapor balabu da ka sorkar bat kata kadai banlong halani shwa ubnai Nailar hajar pusau. Ula ongru ba kajing shna ya udom bathama jong kani ka iingdorbar kan sasdang no shen. Benta kilala ban penkhut lut ya baro kajing julor ba kajing sedang ya katulong ni foundation kala sedang ya chakman. Bat menta kila dap ru ban order ni thit ikitiar kitar badan kam bat shen kin sawan poi ha kani ka jaka bat ban sedang ban penbit penbiang yaki ong uba tensong. Nalor kata uni umenteri ula ongru kamdan ka jinglut tam ning ba kate ka jingkhalam jong utei udom handre ka jinglut kalong halor ka jingdan kam shu ye kitiar kitar handre ngamdan hangni ya baro ka jing batai benia namar ngidang dan kam banyakran biang ha ka jingalang namar kani ka jingalang ka tang bat katanat PWD building bat ki kontraktor kumju ka PMC. Nalor kata open paru ka jing ngos kham ba ka Meghalaya Legislative Assembly kan yo ban syong ya ka jingalang dorbar ka baningkong ha kate ka jingtei ka bathamai ha uni ubnai senrai uban wan.
The review meeting today is one is relating to the progress of work of Meghalaya Legislative Assembly building at Maudiang. We have called all the contractors and then the PMC and then from my department. So we have reviewed it, everything, and then now the work is in good progress, not out of it. And I'm sure they'll be able to complete it as per the targeted date made by the government. And that should be on or before August 2024. They now, in fact, they have already cleared all the debris and the foundation is already in full swing, like laying of tie beam and everything. And now they have already ordered also the prefab items, and very soon it will reach the site and they will start installing all. The cost about the collapse, it is not there at all, but the additional cost on the basis of additional items, it is there, but I don't have right now all the details because we need to again discuss in the high power committee, because now my review meeting is only with the PWD building and the contractors and also the PMC. I already told you they need to complete it by August 2024. Wanted to shift, or maybe we will have our first sitting in the next autumn session.